If you don't have time to learn English, this video will change everything. Give me just 10 minutes a day and your English will improve. First rule of fluency: stop translating in your mind. Start thinking in English. I am waking up. I am feeling hungry. I need to work. Today is a good day. Do this for 2 minutes daily. We don't need big grammar. We need daily English sentences. What are you doing? I am on the way. Wait for me. That's a good idea. I will call you later. Speak loudly for 3 minutes. Fluency comes from listening. Listen to English shorts. Listen to simple stories. Repeat one sentence again and again. Just 3 minutes daily. Write just one sentence every day. Today I learned something new. Only 2 minutes. That's it. 10 minutes a day. No pressure, no fear. If you want to speak English confidently, follow this routine daily. Subscribe to ASD4 English comment routine if you will start today.